Now these Uniseals are pretty much for what I use, especially on the 50s, as you've seen. They just make life a whole lot cheaper, to tell you the truth. I priced out, this is a 40mm version or 1.5 inch, but for the 2-inch version I priced it out and it came in at just under $50 to get a basic bit of water flowing through the wall of a tank. Now with this one here, with a Uniseal, which I do sell, link above and down below, disclaimer, with this Uniseal, all I need is this Uniseal, a small section of pipe, and 2 of these, one to push on the pipe on the inside and one on the outside. So just have a little bit of a real world comparison between the Uniseals and the bulkhead fittings. If I was to run a straight joiner on the inside like I do there, as well as the outside, just to keep things simple, I'd be looking at just over $16 for 2 of these couplings and a Uniseal. Now, if I was to run a bulkhead with the same sort of arrangement, I'm looking at pretty much, well, $47 a pop or a little bit over. So 5 of the Uniseals, so 1 for the fish tank and 2 for each of the drums here, 5 all up, I'd be looking at just over $81. But for 5 of these little systems in 50mm or 2-inch, I'd be looking at $235. So for that reason alone, I really do think the backyarder can save a little bit of coin by using the fantastic Uniseals. Mind you, that's without freight, you know, because as I said, I do sell these, link down below. These Uniseals just make it a lot cheaper, and seriously, I don't have any issues with the Uniseals leaking as long as the holes are drilled to the correct size. They're clean, so there's no swarf on the inside creating a little bit of a void. As you can see, this plumbing is just freestanding. The Uniseal at the top is taking the weight, and yeah, there's nothing holding it up down below. It does also help that this wall is nice and thick. It's over 6mm or over, I think that's around about 1/4 inch in thickness. Whereas I've seen people pop them in IBCs, and I've done it myself. The wall is very thin. It can get down to 2mm in some sections, and that extra strain and weight can cause the plastic itself to malform, so the Uniseal doesn't fail. In fact, it's the plastic that's failing. So a quick easy fix to stop any leaks occurring with your IBC pipework is to put a little stand just underneath the bottom drain, and that just supports the weight from that pipe. And yeah, your Uniseal should stay nice and watertight, as long as you've drilled a correct size hole and kept the swarf out of there. So once more, yes, I do sell these, as well as a few other bits and pieces that help support the channel and pay the bills so I can keep making these videos. So I really do appreciate all you folks who do buy bits and pieces from us.